My name is Jodi and I'm a full-time carer. I have always lived in the Waterside, never left Derry. My parents kind of brought us up just to celebrate differences. People went to different schools or different churches or, did things in different ways, and that was okay. We had our ways, they had their ways, and just enjoy them all. So, being from the Waterside or from a Protestant background has really not put me off. I really never felt the divide massively. I think that puts a lot of people off learning Irish too, because they think it's for a certain group of people or certain type of person to learn Irish, or that by learning Irish that it means something about them, it says something about them, but it really doesn't. It's for everybody. Irish was always something that I'd been interested in, but just it was never available, it was never accessible. It was never offered at school. When you see Irish words, I didn't want them to look foreign to me. I wanted to know what they meant or be able to make a stab at pronouncing them. So I thought, yeah, give it a go. Signed up immediately and just went for it. That was the first time I'd ever seen a course offered that was accessible to me. It was free, it was really short duration. So I thought, well, I can try it and kind of dip my toes in, and then I'll see if I want to pursue it or not. The class it's fantastic. There's a really, really lovely atmosphere. Everyone is really, really encouraging. Bernie, the teacher, always says, we leave no man behind. So we kind of go at the pace of whatever the class wants. So no one's racing ahead, and it's not like school where you're being assessed and marked. You have to worry it. You can just really enjoy it. But made some really good friends, and just in lockdown especially, the Zoom classes have been a real highlight of the week. I would really like to keep it up, definitely.
Okay, Falcharash, we're going to start now.
My niece is 8, so when I'm on the phone to her, I'll say, Jodi, Emma, how are you? And just tiny wee things. So now when she calls me, she'll say, Jodi, Jodi. And just picking up tiny words, like the word for freckle is kiss from the sun. And I love wee things like that. I just think it's really lovely, poetic language. Is Misha Jodi, is Changa, Ainta E and Gaelic.